What's up everybody, welcome to the first episode of Food Arrow. In today's episode we're going to be making buttermilk pancakes. Let's get started. In a large bowl, pour the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt together. Whisk the dry ingredients together, making a well in the center. This ensures that the ingredients are slowly incorporated and evenly mixed together. Pour the buttermilk into the well, and then the eggs and butter. Whisk all the ingredients together, but don't overmix. The batter should be lumpy. Lightly grease the pan with the oil of your choice. It's best to use a nonstick pan or griddle. Scoop your batter onto the pan. When bubbles start to pop on the top, it's ready to flip. You can always use a spatula to check underneath the batter to see if it's ready. Serve with a little bit of butter and your favorite syrup. Follow us on Instagram and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.